Hi everybody, my name's Troy Hawes and welcome once again to another edition of My Acoustic Lounge. Today's guitar tutorial covers another classic hit from the king of rock and roll himself, Elvis Presley. The song, Burning Love, written by Dennis Linde. Burning Love peaked at number 2 on the Billboard Hot 100 in 1972. Coincidentally, it was also the last top 10 hit Elvis Presley had before his untimely death in 1977. So before we get started, be sure to click the subscribe button, as I'm always trying to put up new content on a regular basis. In addition, if you like my guitar tutorials and covers, you might actually also like my original music, which can now be purchased or streamed from any one of your favorite online music providers. Simply look up Troy Hawes and you'll find my music there. We're going to look at the chords that you're going to need to know first, then we're going to perform the cover. Afterwards, we'll go in depth and have a closer look at the chord progression. As always, I'm going to use a great backbeat from my Beatbuddy by Singular Sound. So with all of that said, let's get started and learn another great Elvis Presley song. Okay, in order to get all the way through Burning Love, you're going to need to know 4 chords. Let's have a closer look at them now. The first one is a G major. I use a D chord. Now I also use a variation to the D chord called a D sus4. I'll show you where that comes in a little bit later on. We use an A chord. And lastly, we use a B minor bar chord. That's it. Those 4 chords are going to get you all the way through this great song. Let's get to the cover.
Lord Almighty, feel my temperature rising. Higher and higher, it's burning through to my soul. Girl, 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 you gonna set me on fire. My brain is flaming, I don't know which way to go. Kisses lift me higher, like the sweet song of the choir. Light my morning sky, burning love. Must be 109. Burning, 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 nothing can cool me. I might just turn to smoke, but I feel fine. Kisses lift me higher, like the sweet song of the choir. Light my morning sky, burning low. It's coming closer, the flames are now licking my body. Please won't you help me, feel like I'm slipping away. It's hard to breathe now, chest is a heaving. Lord have mercy, burning a hole where I lay. Kisses lift me higher, like the sweet song of the choir. Light my morning sky, burning love. I'm just a hunk of burning love. Just a hunk of burning love. Just a hunk of burning love. Just a hunk of burning love.
Okay, let's have a closer look at the chord progression. We're going to break this into 3 separate parts. The verse, the chorus, and then we'll finish it up with a closer look at that outro. Now for the verse. The song starts on the D and the combination of the D sus4. Here we go. Lord Almighty, feel my temperature rising. High and high, it's burning through to my soul. Girl, 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 you gonna set me on fire. Brain is flaming, I don't know which way to go. Okay, let's have a closer look at the chorus. The chorus starts on the B minor bar chord. Here we go. Your kisses lift me higher, like a sweet song of the choir. You light my morning sky with burning love. That's it. Very, very simple. Let's finish off with a closer look at the outro. Now the outro only incorporates 2 chords. It's very, very easy to play. It basically starts on the D chord. Here we go. Well, I'm a hunk of burning love. 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 And that's it. It just goes between the D and the G. There you have it, Elvis Presley's Burning Love. My name is Troy Hawes. Thank you for tuning in to another edition of My Acoustic Lounge. If you like my guitar tutorials and my covers, please consider subscribing. I do truly, truly appreciate it. Until the next time, keep playing. Music is good for the soul.